Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here to visit on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and don't forget to share with others, with your loved ones. If you like what we do, share with your friends. Don't enjoy yourself, enjoy it and let others enjoy it too. Remember, the Bible tells us, let us love one another. What does that mean? That means if you give, you mustn't give the only person who is going to give you also when you are in a bad situation or struggle. Alright? Is that clear? You must give to those who don't have with faith, with all your hearts. Alright? So please watch Bliss videos, enjoy it, like it, comments, subscribe, and don't forget to share it. Plus, remember to click the notification bell so that if we upload new video, you will be notified in your inbox, email address. Alala. Billy. Ash. Nekuti zanem tinda yamino.